What if someone helped you win $1 million just by coughing? No lie, this game show hack became a national scandal. In 2001, a UK man won £1 million on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? But the twist? A guy, including his wife at the audience, coughed to signal the right answers. They reviewed the tape. Every time he said a wrong answer, someone coughed at the right one.
Why not Craig David?
Here comes the U-turn.
No, I'll go Craig David. Yeah.
Busted. He lost the money and got charged with fraud. Would you risk jail time for £1 million trivia win? Whoa, that's a risk. Unbelievable but real. And that's what the fact.